Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello, bakers! In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream for cake. To begin, you will need 3 simple ingredients: very cold heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Make sure your heavy cream is thoroughly chilled, as this is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. Also, use a large, cold mixing bowl and a whisk attachment for your stand mixer or hand mixer. This preparation ensures the best possible aeration and a light, fluffy result. Now, let's get whipping. Start by pouring your cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Begin whipping on a medium-low speed to incorporate air slowly. As the cream starts to thicken, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Keep a close eye on the consistency. You are looking for soft peaks first, then continue whipping until you achieve medium stiff peaks, which are ideal for frosting a cake and holding their shape beautifully. Once your cream reaches the soft peak stage, it is time to add the sweetness and flavor. Gently incorporate the powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Powdered sugar is preferred over granulated sugar because it dissolves more smoothly, ensuring a silky, non-grainy texture. You can adjust the amount of sugar and vanilla to suit your personal taste, typically starting with about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla per 1 cup of heavy cream. Here are a few crucial tips for perfect whipped cream. First, be careful not to overwhip, as it can quickly turn into butter. Stop as soon as you reach your desired consistency. For extra stability, especially in warmer conditions, you can add about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch per 1 cup of heavy cream. Store any leftover whipped cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain its freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.